Hey everyone, Miss Solia here with part 2. I'm going to show you how to put Sora on your phone, tablet, or other devices. So just for reference, I have an iPhone and I'm going to be showing you on an iPhone. But if you have an Android or other device, other type of operating system, you'll just want to go to whatever that system's app store is. So for me, it's just regular old app store. And if I click search, I'll type in Sora. And you can see it right there, our little Sora mascot in that second option right there. Scroll down to it and download. It is a free app. You may need a password depending on your settings on your device. But I'm going to show you how it works. So once it's downloaded, we'll click open. And we'll do the same thing just like we did when we did in the browser. We'll click Find My School. Again, we can use anything in Oakland Unified. Sign in using Oakland Unified School District. Yes, Sora can share my information. It is kept private, just FYI. And you're going to log in with Google on that Clever page again. Using your school Gmail address. Make sure you use your school one and not another address, or it won't work. So here is that curated collection browsing screen again. This is now connected to my Sora account. So if I've added Oakland Public Library, I can change and explore in Oakland Public Library just by clicking here and switching to OPL. If I want to find the books that are on my shelf right now, I can click shelf. And you can see I have Amari and the Night Brothers checked out to me. So from here, another setting I want to show you is that you can read even without having the internet on your device. So say your tablet is not connected to Wi-Fi, maybe you're in the car and you want to read, you can still do that. You just need to make sure that in your download settings, you enable automatic downloads of everything, just like I have here. So even if my phone's internet goes out, I can still browse and read Amari and the Night Brothers. And there it goes. As you can see that notice up in the top, synchronized to 7% automatically. Wherever I left off in my browser, it's going to pick right back up on my phone. So as soon as I tap it, whoops, there we go. It's that easy, guys. If you have any questions, you can reach me at solia.martinez@ousd.org, or you can message me in Schoology. Thanks for letting me crash your class today, and I hope you enjoy Sora and have fun reading. Thanks, guys. Bye.